Hello dear students, welcome back to your SST class. I hope you all are safe at home and giving proper time to your studies. Dear students, in the previous videos, we have discussed some religious festivals like Durga Puja, which is the most famous festival of West Bengal. Eid, which is celebrated by Muslims with great enthusiasm. Dussehra, which shows the victory of good over evil. Now students, today we will again discuss some new religious festivals. Students, have you ever seen Santa Claus on Christmas? I hope you all have seen Santa Claus on Christmas and get many toffees and chocolates from him. So students, at first we will discuss a new religious festival, Christmas, which is celebrated by Christians. It comes in the month of December. People go to church on this day and sing prayers. People worship Jesus Christ. Cakes, pie, muffins, chocolates and sweets are eaten by people. Christmas is celebrated with great pomp and show in Goa. Birthday of Jesus Christ falls on this day. Now students, come to the reading part. Kindly open page number 59 of your social studies book. And today we will start from Christmas. Mary and her parents go to church for prayers. On Christmas, her mother makes cakes and puddings for friends and relatives. Students, underline the word puddings and write its meaning, a type of sweet dish. A type, type, of sweet, sweet, dish, dish, a type of sweet dish. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Students, this is Mary who goes to church with her parents to sing prayer. Her mother is making puddings, cakes, muffins for friends, relatives, neighbors, etc. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. It marks the birthday of Jesus Christ. Students, now we are going to discuss Guru Purab. Guru Purabs are celebrated by the whole country but are mainly celebrated by Sikhs with great enthusiasm. We celebrate Guru Purabs on the birthday of Sikh Gurus. People go to Gurudwaras and offer prayers. They light diyas, candles in Gurudwaras at night. People worship Sikh Gurus. Langar is eaten by thousands of people in Gurudwaras. Guru Purabs of Amritsar and Patna are very famous. People go to Amritsar and Patna Sahib to celebrate Guru Purabs. The processions pass through streets. The people in the processions sing hymns and play traditional musical instruments. Dear students, now come to the reading part. Guru Purab. Gurpreet is celebrating Guru Purab. He goes with his parents to the Gurudwara and hears the Shabad. They eat langar in the Gurudwara. Students, underline the word langar and write its meaning, free community meal. FREE, free, COMMUNITY, community, MEAL, meal, free community meal. Guru Purab marks the birthdays of Sikh Gurus. Students, this is Gurpreet who goes with his parents in the Gurudwara to celebrate Guru Purab. They hear the Shabad. They also eat langar in the Gurudwara. Guru Purabs is the celebration of the birthday of Sikh Gurus. Students, next festival is Holi, and I hope students you all enjoy this festival of colors. Dear students, Holi is celebrated by the whole country, but it is mainly celebrated by Hindus and Sikhs. In Punjab, Sikhs celebrate Holi with great enthusiasm and call it Hola Mahalla. Fairs are also held on this day. Children play with colors on this occasion. Hindus worship Lord Vishnu, as on this day they saved Bhakt Prahlad from Holika. Firni and Gujia are specially eaten by people. Holi of Vrindavan is famous all over India. They play Holi with flowers, and children, you should also play Holi with dry colors or flowers. You should not waste water on Holi as it is very precious for us. Holi is known as the festival of colors. Now students, come to the reading part. Holi. This is Neelu. She is celebrating Holi. She celebrates Holi for 2 days. On the first day, bonfires are lit. Students, underline the word bonfires and write its meaning, flames of fire. F-L-A-M-E-S, flames. O-F of, F-I-R-E, fire. Then students, underline the word lit and write its meaning, burnt. B-U-R-N-T, burnt. On the second day, she plays with water balloons and colors with her friends. Her parents visit their friends and splash colors and apply gulal on each other's face. Students, underline the word splash and write its meaning, spread. S-P-R-E-A-D, spread. Holi is known as the festival of colors. Students, this is Neelu who is celebrating Holi with her friends. One day before Holi, she lights the bonfire with her family. On the next day, she plays with balloons, water, colors with her friends. They all apply colors on each other's face. Students, Holi is known as the festival of colors. Students, now read the fact. Holi is a harvest festival. In Maharashtra, Rang Panchami. Students, the festival is celebrated as thanksgiving for good harvest and is known as Rang Panchami in Maharashtra. Students, today we have discussed more religious festivals, Christmas, Guru Purab and Holi, and I hope students it is clear to you. Now students, come to the page number 61, part B of activity. It is said that Santa Claus brings gifts for children on Christmas. Tick any 5 gifts which you wish to get from Santa Claus. Students, you have to tick any 5 things which you wish to get from Santa Claus. Dear students, now your homework for today is to watch this video again, read page number 59 and 60 and do part B of activity on book. Now I will meet you in the next session. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.